hair in here. I'm like, we're doing Huskerland bathrooms. We're going to reface their awning, put a window perf decal on one of the windows, just kind of jazz up the front of this a little bit, make it look really nice from the street. It's always challenges when you install outside. Major challenge is usually the wind. Right now we're in front of a doorway to get inside of a building, so you have people that are coming in and out, could potentially knock you off your ladder. It's a little scary at times. Alright, we're here at Lincoln Acupuncture Project, here to put up another awning. Nice thing about this area is we're actually enclosed, so you don't get a lot of the wind like we were at in our last install. Makes it way easier. So it should be a lot of fun to do. Turned out real sharp. Nice thing about this one is that it's printed on translucent, so we're able to match whatever color she wanted. Based on what I'm seeing around here, she's one of about the only ones that have a full color and not just black on it, so turned out real sharp.
How's it look? Alright! Holy cow, people can find me now.
Isn't that always nice?
Eatery just picked up their van. They loved it. Really cool in that sunlight outside. What?
It worked out perfect. I was trying to get her find the order.
Oh.
That you helped them.
I am working on a reproof. We sent out this proof yesterday, and sometimes they want to see other changes, so I'm gonna apply his changes and send it back to him and see what he wants to do with it.
Oh, just putting layers of vinyl together. That's about it. So.
Oh, a lot of stuff. Tons of stuff. What? She was laughing. Right now I'm scheduling in an install time and answering the phones a lot and just working on a whole bunch of stuff.
Caitlin.
What? Brandon? That we're doing lettering for. Setting up proof with pricing. They're wanting some ultra-metallic vinyl lettering, in which they'll be applying it themselves, and so
What we're doing is t-shirts for the Waverly PTO Fun Run. Same design, we're just changing the ink colors on these a little bit. We got the neon green here, we're doing a neon pink and a neon blue as well. It's gonna be front and back. Should be pretty cool once we're done, so stay tuned.